What if I told you stopping a sneeze can actually send you to hospital? Hi, I'm Umar and I'm a pharmacist. You are in a meeting, classroom or any crowded place and you pinch your nose to stop a sneeze. Seems harmless, right? But when you hold a sneeze, all that pressure created has nowhere to go. And instead of escaping through your nose and mouth, it gets restricted inside your body. And in some rare cases, this pressure has been linked to busted eardrums, damaged blood vessels, and even throat injuries. So is holding sneeze dangerous? Usually nothing serious happens, but the doctors recommend letting the sneeze out safely into a tissue or your elbow rather than forcing it back in. Comment down the topic on which you want to see my next video, and for more such knowledge, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram.